Computer animation is very important in movies today. Skilled CG animators are needed to make digital characters come to life. Their work makes characters look real and move in life-like ways. CG animators are like digital puppeteers. They give personalities and behaviors to virtual actors. They make non-human characters seem believable. Their animation work is crucial for modern movie effects. Making top quality CG animation is very hard and takes a long time. CG animators had to manually animate each frame, but artificial intelligence could change how this is done. Wonder Studio uses new artificial intelligence technology to automate CG animation from live action videos. It uses computer vision and machine learning to study videos of actors. Then it makes a CG character copy the actor's movements. This makes adding CG characters much faster and easier. Directors can get digital characters on screen without as much hard animation work. Wonder Studio can transform live action scenes into animation. CG animators are still important, but Wonder Studios helps them work faster and opens new creative options. Together, animators and artificial intelligence can push digital animation further. So, if you want to create a CG animation from this footage, then you come to right place. Before going into depth of this video, please hit the subscribe for future updates. If you want to create your CG animation from a simple footage to follow these steps. Record your film scene as usual with a single camera. Make sure the framing keeps the main actor in view throughout the sequence. Use standard video formats like MP4. Go to the Wonder Studio website and create an account. On the left side, you can see the option to create a new project. Upload your video footage. The artificial intelligence will automatically detect cuts in the footage and track the actor's motion. You'll see an overlay visualization of the tracking on the footage. Pick or customize a CG character model that you want to replace the actor with. Wonder Studio has various pre-made models, or you can upload your own. Adjust the model to match the actor's proportions. The AI will process the footage, replacing the actor with the CG model. It handles tracking the model's movement, facial expressions, and other animation to match the original performance. Adjust the CG lighting to match the scene. The artificial intelligence tries to mimic the original lighting, but you can tweak it. Add any other post-processing effects. Export the resulting video with the animated CG character in place of the actor. You can export with transparency so the CG model can be composited into other backgrounds. I hope you understand how you can convert your simple footage to CG animation video.